So you just deleted your old contacts or they suddenly disappeared on your new iPhone 17 Pro Max? Don't worry, here are 2 quick and easy ways to recover all your deleted contacts instantly. So first you have to head over to your settings, then go for Apple ID, tap on iCloud, and here you have to look for contacts. If you see it's turned off, just switch it on and go to your contacts app and your contacts should start repairing. So just you have to keep patience. But if some contacts are still missing, just open up any browser and go to iCloud.com. Now you have to sign in with your Apple ID. Now go for this app icon and here you will find this data recovery option. Just hit it and here you have to scroll down until you find this restore contacts option. And here you will find different backup dates available. Just choose a date when your contacts were still there. Then tap restore and confirm. So keep restoring until you find the contacts you actually need. Once they appear, check your contact list and that's it. That's how you can easily recover all your deleted contacts on your iPhone. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.